Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things related to geography. Today, we will be discussing the meaning and significance of the temperate zone. The temperate zone is a geographic region that lies between the tropics and the polar regions. This zone is characterized by moderate temperatures and seasonal variations in weather patterns. It is located between approximately 23.5 degrees and 66.5 degrees latitude in both the northern and southern hemispheres. One of the defining features of the temperate zone is the presence of distinct seasons, including spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The temperate zone experiences mild summers and cool winters, making it suitable for diverse flora and fauna. This region is home to a variety of ecosystems, including deciduous forests, grasslands, and Mediterranean climates. Countries such as the United States, Canada, Japan, China, and many European nations are located in the temperate zone. The temperate zone is known for its agricultural productivity and the production of crops like wheat, barley, and corn. It is also home to a wide range of wildlife, including deer, bears, foxes, and various bird species. Due to its pleasant climate and fertile soil, the temperate zone has been a favorable settlement area for humans for centuries. In addition to its natural features, the temperate zone is influenced by oceanic currents and wind patterns. These factors play a crucial role in shaping the weather conditions and climatic variations within the zone. The temperate zone serves as an important ecological boundary, separating the tropical and polar regions. The transition zones between the temperate and adjacent climate zones often exhibit unique ecological characteristics. Climate change and global warming have the potential to significantly impact the temperate zone, causing shifts in weather patterns and affecting its ecosystems. Understanding the temperate zone is crucial for studying biomes, climate change, and the distribution of species on Earth. Researchers and scientists continuously monitor this region to assess the effects of human activities and natural phenomena. In conclusion, the temperate zone is a region of the Earth that experiences moderate temperatures, distinct seasons, and diverse ecosystems. Its significance lies in its ecological boundaries, agricultural productivity, and as a habitat for a wide variety of flora and fauna.